let's put these Mr. Pen metallic gel pens to the test. Now, I love this brand. I already have a lot of things from Mr. Pen, but this one is really cool. You always get your iconic Mr. Pen sticker, and this one actually came with a personal note as well. Now, if you like these, be sure to check my affiliate link below. You get quite the range of metallic pens here. These are all metallics, from this really great red to more of the standard gold metallic and the silver metallics to the full range of incredible greens and blues. Now, the pens themselves are very light. They feel good in my hand. They have a pretty strong top. It takes a little bit to pull it off and on at first. So you will hear that good snap when it closes, and it has a good clip on here. Let's check the color. Really nice to color with. It colors just like a gel pen. Feels really good. Let's go through all the colors. And there's the full range. It is a more muted color range, but it's really nice. And there are definitely colors that pop, like that pink. I found them really easy to draw with right off the bat. They don't come with any little rubber covers on the tips. They are ready to go. The one thing I would warn is that the tops may be hard for a kid to open, but once you pop them open a few times, they do seem to get a little easier to open and close, and they certainly will keep the pens from drying out. These have quite a variety of uses. You can definitely see the metallic color, especially in the gold and the silver, and they are beautiful. A great metallic pen set.